Khulumbaikha takuk te bukuk song tai lam sogo ani ol channel faidi chengtini nalenai nepkuni hoite ketal notification faimani nepkuni full form angkha Northeastern Electric Power Corporation Limited, a government of India enterprise. Takuk te bukuk song norok on notification nai namun chongka hangke boni website thangai nai manai boni website ni address angkha nepco.co.in thangmani pore bono kaisa option dongo careers nei o jaga click khaidi click khaimani pore pura notification norok nai manai careers option no thangmani pore bono page opening nai bono page tam sijak jeng nalai nai click here to view detailed advertisement for 1 year apprenticeship training for the year 2021-22 aboni pore obongkha application form oboni bagino faidi cheng nalenai boni advertisement o jaga click khai obongkha boni pura notification faidi cheng nalenai Northeastern Electric Power Corporation Limited is a schedule a mini Ratna Category 1 Central Public Sector Enterprise under the Ministry of Power, Government of India. The corporation is engaged in planning, designing and executing power projects of hydro, thermal and solar and entering into wind energy projects. The corporation purpose to engage 94 apprentices for 2021-22 under the Apprenticeship Act 1961 for a period of 1 year apprenticeship training in the following trades for its different plans project establishment. Takuk te bukuk song obongkha jara graduate pajak jara BE BTech khajak bor ni bagai total seat tongo 44 tai monthly stipend jangnai 18000 khe oboni bagai minimum educational qualification nangnai a degree in engineering or technology aboni pore obongkha place of training Puleno tongo Agartala Gas Turbine Combined Cycled Power Plant, Ramchandranagar, Tripura West. Norok oboni bagai apply khaina hanke o jaga click here to apply tongo o jaga click khaidi aboni pore boni registration process tongnai abno step by step wise norok khaiman pore obono fill up khaimanai oren bagai seat tongo electrical ni bagai tongo 4 mechanical ni bagai tongo 3 civil ni bagai tongo 4 aboni pore alka state ni bage bo tongo cheng Tripura no nalena aboni pore takesha tongo abongkha Tripura Guest Best Combined Cycle Power Plant Monarchak Sunamura PO Danpur Tripura West aboni bage electrical ni tongo 2 mechanical ni bage tongo 2 IT ni bage tongo 2 takokte bukuk song alka jaga Assam Arunachal Pradesh karogo tongo o jaga details nane khe naimano aboni pore faidi cheng naline obongkha jara diploma khajaro ni bagai technician apprentice diploma in engineering or technology minimum educational qualification nangnai at diploma in engineering or technology oro nukjago Agartala Gas Turbine Combined Cycle Power Plant Ramchandranagar Tripura ni bagai electrical ni tongo 4 mechanical ni bagi tongo 4 aboni bagi apply khaina mu chongangke o jaga click khadi aboni pore Assam aboni pore tongo Nagaland Arunachal Pradesh again Assam Arunachal Pradesh yes o jaga tisha Tripura ni takasha tongo obongkha Monarchak Sunamura Danpur Tripura West ni oboni bagi tongo electrical ni tongo 2 mechanical ni bagi tongo 2 tai IT ni bagi tongo 2 total seating ka 50 tai monthly stipend janai 15000 khe norok o jaga naimano faidi cheng o jaga kisa nalena click here to apply bahai ke registration dok khanyani nang click here to apply o click khamani pore bono page opening nai o jaga kaisa option tongo enroll honai o jaga cheng click khanai acha obo cheng koyekdin age advertisement cheng nukha je power grid ni hoite amobai omo kisa same process haino I am a student henei option select ma khainai aboni pore o jaga Tripura select ma khainai aboni pore I have completed aboni pore graduation khaijak jara khaijak borok oro graduation marnai aboni pore jara diploma khaijak borok diploma marnai aboni pore o jaga year select ma khaine 2018 90 20 21 jara 2017 16 ba oni sekang jara khainarok borok omni bagi eligible ya aboni pore obongkha regular select ma khaine have you undertaken any previous training as part the apprenticeship program o jaga option select khai di aboni pore dear students please ensure that the following documents are kept ready for enrolling in the portal takukte book song oboni bagi registration khaina hanke or documents are now ready ma tongnai pula tongo Aadhaar card valid personal email ID mobile number tai passport size photograph format and JPEG ni bagi less than 200 KB ni bisingo aboni pore nini qualifying degree provisional certificate PDF o maslamnai less than 1 MB aboni pore front page of bank passbook bank account statement format PDF less than 1 MB ni bisingo obokha registration process aboni pore questionnaire and guidelines fane aboni pore enrollment form aboni pore preview and confirm khai submit kharidi faidi jeng tasha notification nalai nai obongkha eligibility criteria for application the candidate should be a resident of India aboni pore the candidate should have completed graduation diploma not before 30 November 2018 norok 30 November 2018 bisingono graduation haike diploma complete na nangnai tai the candidate must have Aadhaar card driving license PAN card voter ID card ba passport which is required for online registration in bagai age limiting ka maximum 28 years as on 31st August 2021 tai not less than 18 years tai ST SC ba other ni bagai age relaxation tongana as per the government of India rules takukte bukuksong obongka selection process norok oro thangibo naimano takukte bukuksong obongka how to apply oro sejektongo candidate must apply online and no other mode of application will be accepted takukte bukuksong norok online shimno khaimne offline ti khaimanglak step 1 angka norok tashingang nukha o jaga thangi norok registration ma khainai obokha step 2 the candidate are advised to apply online and select any one from the following NAPCO establishment je kunu kasha select ma khaine training center aboni pore step 3 angka after submitting the online application candidate should download the this NAPCO apprentice application form from the corporation website take a print out and fill up all the relevant information and send the duly fill up form via this email ID takukte bukuksong application form to chungta singo nubi mangkha o jaga application form tongo takukte bukuksong obongkha form norok naimano aboni logi norok along with self attested scan khai PDF format salama hodi relevant document jemon pass certificate mark sheet as proof aboni pore caste obongkha boni general instruction norok o jaga naimanane read details advertisement and instruction before filling up the online application form no application fee is required tai omono je ta singo cheng naimani norok oboni bagai daktino application fill up khadi 20 August 2021 bisingono tirin bagai to ashigno takukte bukuksong norok jorama khangke daktino oboni bagai apply khadi belai nangkukmani training hanimano tamni hinke nepkun hoite jodi samong serenge mang khangke ba samong khaimang khangke belaino kaham haisi tai tirin bagai to ashigno belekeno hambai joto ani takukte bukuksongno ani video naima bagai sinijak borongno share khainani tapukdi jotono cheng on chini information cheng bonyor nanango jate chini thurti bui help manai obonti apply khai borok bo manthung ang omono nayo belekeno hambai taisa khulumbai kha